You can always install a huge machine or a big machine, industrial machine, but usually they are very expensive. They have you have to power up to be able to run it without having fuses with the house. Usually you need a operator that has years of experience as well. So comparing to this solution with 5.0 Robotics, you get a industrial grade machine, but in small format. You get it on 220 volt. You can plug it in anywhere in the workshop where you have it. You can move it around, you have wheels on it. If it has a bad spot, you move it around to another spot meanwhile and just plug it in. And it's very easy to use as well. You don't have to have years of experience and you don't have to have years of study to operate it. I came from zero, it's so easy to operate it. People like me, I didn't know anything about it. I didn't know even that vibrations of cutting in materials or vibration in cutters made difference to the result. So 5.0 Robotics introduced a system called SmartBox, which allows you to actually see live feedback on the effect of the motor spindle, the motors of the axis. You get vibrations, you can see everything, so you can fine-tune all the settings while you're running. If you don't know, like me, I haven't milled too much in aluminum, but using that tool made me go from having a bad result to having a flawless finish with perfect accuracy and also perfect finish. That would have taken me days, probably hours, to figure out what kind of settings, how fast should the spindle turn, what should my feed rate be. Yeah, I think that would have taken so much hours, and the SmartBox eliminated all those points. So that's a great tool.